Hello students, today we will do simple interest exercise in the chapter of percentage and its application. So the formula for simple interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100. What is P here? Principal. Means whenever you will lend or borrow any money, that is known as principal. R for rate, at which percent you will lend the money. T is time, for how much time you will borrow the money upon 100. Now one more formula, this A is amount is simple interest plus principal. So whenever you will return the money, interest will be added to the principal. So if the simple interest for any given time is added to the principal, then the sum is called amount. Now, some more formulas based on this formula. P is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T, and T is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. You can, whenever you will find P, R, T, direct use these formulas. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 19. Find the simple interest and the amount at simple interest in problem from 1 through 4. See, question number 1. In all the questions, principal is given, rate is given, and time is given. Principal, this is principal, rupees 184. This is time, 2 years. This is rate, 5%. So you have to calculate simple interest plus principal. Formula for simple interest, P, principal into rate into time upon 100. Put all the values to the cutting. It is 18.4. Amount, formula for amount, simple interest plus principal, 18.4 plus 184. Answer is 202.4. Now all the 4 questions are same. Now come to the 5th. We need deposited rupees 8500 in a finance company which pays 18% interest per year. Find the amount he will receive after 3 years. Again this question is same. Simple interest formula, P into R into T upon 100. Write P, R, T. All the values, do the cutting. This is a simple interest. Amount SI plus P. Put the value of SI, put the value of P. Added rupees 13,090 is your answer. Now 6th question. If farmer borrowed rupees 3600 at 15% per annum, at the end of 4 years, he cleared his account by paying rupees 4,000 and a cow. Find the cost of the cow. See 6th formula, SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Put the principal 3600, rate 15, time 4. Whenever do the cutting, multiply these, you will get 2160. It means interest is this. So amount to be paid by farmer is simple interest plus principal. So this is 5760. But he paid rupees 4,000 and a cow. So the remaining money he adjusts by the cow. So that means cost of, but he has to pay this, but he paid only this. So cost of the cow is 5760 minus 4,000 rupees, 1,760. This is your answer. Question 7. Find the rate percent per annum. In all the parts, you have to calculate rate percent. In rate percent, this is principal, this is rupees 60 interest, and this is rate. Sorry. First question 7. This is rupees 350 yields rupees 105 interest. This is principal, this is interest, this is time. Calculate rate. So formula for rate, SI into 100 upon P into T. Put all the values, do the cutting. 5% is your answer. In next question 8, you have to calculate time. See, this is principal, this is interest, this is 60 interest at 5% per annum. This is rate. So the formula for time is SI into 100 upon P into R. Put the value of SI. Principal is 300. Rate is 5%. Do the cutting. 5 years is your answer. Rate is in percent. Principal is in rupees. And time is in years. Now question 10. In how many years will rupees 150 double at 4% simple interest? Here principal is rupees 150. Amount will be double means 150 into 2 rupees 300. So SI is amount minus P, 300 minus 150, that is rupees 150. You have to calculate time, put the formula for time, SI into 100 upon P into R, put all the values. Principal SI is 150 and principal is also 150 into 100, time rate is 4, do the cutting, 25 years is your answer. Next 11th, at what rate of simple interest will a sum of money double itself in 20? In this question, we will calculate rate. In the question, we will suppose let principal is rupees 100. So amount is double means amount will be rupees 200. SI is amount minus P, 200 minus 100 is rupees 100. Rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. SI is 100. Principal is 100. 100 into 100 upon 100 into 20. Do the cutting. 5% is your answer. 12th. If rupees 250 amounts to rupees 285. This is principal, this is amount. So we will calculate SI, this is time, calculate rate percent. SI is amount minus P, 285 minus 250, this is 35. Now calculate rate, SI into 100 upon P into T. SI is 35 into 100, P is 250, time is 2. Do the cutting, 7% is your answer. Question 13. The sum of money will produce rupees 1770 at simple interest in 7 whole 1 upon 2 years at 8% per annum. So, the sum of money means in this question you have to calculate principal. See, formula for principal SI into 100 upon R into T. Here time is 7 whole 1 upon 2 year, that is 15 upon 2 years. Put all the value, simple interest value, rate value, time value. Do the cutting. This is your answer. 2950. 2900. This is not any point. This is not a point. 2000. The answer is rupees 2950. This is your answer. 14. In what time will rupees 1200 amount to rupees this at 6% per annum? So this is principal, this is amount. Again calculate SI and then calculate time. SI is amount minus P, amount minus principal, that is rupees 144. Time formula SI into 100 upon P into R. SI is 144 into 100, principal is 1200 and rate is 6%. Do the cutting. 2 years is your answer. So students, those questions are in video. Do in classwork notebook and remaining question which are left do in homework notebook. So complete your work. Okay student, bye bye.